Alright, I am standing in the exact same spot as I left the last video because I didn't feel like walking. So now I gotta go to the other end. Got King Crowned. It's $45.99, 9 shots. Super Kung Fu. This one and Super Stunt were the ones I basically started out on. They've been around for frickin' forever. $32.99, 12 shots. You can't go wrong. The old window stuff. Pyro Candy and Texas Hold'em. Both of them are 60 bucks. Crazy Joe, $9. Or I'm sorry, $28.99, 9 shots. Dominator, 30 shots, $29.99. Did you find anything you like? Nothing. Skadoosh, $29.99, 12 shots. A War Stopper, it's $34.99, 12 shots. Jailbait.
I'm out of here.
10 shots, $34.99. She doesn't look like Jailbait though. Peony Garden, Native Blue, Atomic Fireball. These two are 40 bucks, both 12 shots, and Atomic Fireball is $31.99, 30 shots.
Oh crap.
Make America Great Again. He's coming back. He will. He's going to fix stuff. 27 shots, $34.99. What stuff he's going to fix? I don't know. Stuff that's above my pay grade. Sky Beauty by Winda. It is 25 shots, $26. Prime Rain, 25 shots, $24.99. We got Rounders from Bright Star. It's $23.99. It's 25 shots.
Ooh, hell of a sex.
It's a mouthful. I hate saying it. I'm not gonna say it. 28 shots, $34.99 from Bright Star. Vertical Reality. It's $26.99. 17 shots. Whole mess of them. Got some more rounders here. V-Day. Do not confuse it with the other cake, D-Day. $24.99, 26 shots. You won't confuse the price. You ain't gonna find D-Day for $24.99. Hot as Hell from Raccoon. $89.99, 9 shots. Poker Run, $79.99, 9 shots. Whole bunch. You got Neon Blaster, $79.99 for 9 shots. You got Hazmat, $46.99, 25 shots. We got the huge white strobe cake, 10 shots, $33.99.
There you go.
We got the gold ones, $27.99, 10 shots. Neon Web, $37.99 for shot count that is missing. 9 shots. Display direction is straight up. Beetle Battle. I don't know if that's an O or an A. $36.99 for 40 shots. We got Shine On, $39.99. Looks like a Thor cake. How many shots is that? Come on, Raccoon. 20 shots. Silent Assassin, $31.99 for 63 shots. Outlaw Pyro, $31.99. It's 42 shots. Got Gold Rush again. Gold Rush is 24 shots, $41.99. I got the shot count that time. Rainbow Ghost, $129.99. How many shots are you, Rainbow Ghost? I never remember the shots in these big ones. $195.
Oh yeah, sucker punch.
Sucker Punch. $109.99. And that is, what is Sucker Punch again? It's over 200, isn't it? 182. Professional grade, 109 shots, 109.99. Nice fan cake. Bitter Heat, 99.99. That is 162 shots. We got Purely American here. It's 135 shots for 90 bucks. Whole mess of them as well. We get the they're all over the place. Uncle Sam, it's the Nishiki Kamuro raccoon cake. That is $94.99. And then we got the I Want You Uncle Sam one. It's $89.99. And we got Ghost Killer. It's $100 right there from Raccoon. We got Migraine. One of my buddies, I think, just did Migraine. I'll have to throw him a shout out in this video when I go to post it, if I can remember. I got a lot of pyro buddies now. $89.99, 9 shots. If I remember, I'll definitely post them in the channel. And then whole mess of assortments over here. What we got? Oh, what's wrong, Cody? Your stuff not selling the way you want it to? Oh, that sucks, doesn't it? You're not even on a shelf anymore. They put you on the floor. Such a shame. Poor Cody. Oh, he's still on the shelf. My bad. They just moved him to the floor too. Look at your stuff ain't even sitting level, this guy. And we're gonna wrap this one right here and try to get a couple more videos. I still got 200s to do. I still got assortments to do. I got all these other cakes, and then I gotta finish my shopping because apparently I can never spend enough money. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.